You are who? When asked, how do you respond? When goaded for details, where do you go in your mind or being? Do you have a ready answer? Is it your occupation? I am a insert job. Is your answer the things you've done or accomplished? Or for those of a more scientific mind, a human being, Homo sapiens sapiens? Or perhaps more crude, a collection of cells animated by electrical signals, motor neurons, and muscle fibers, a flesh puppet of primal drives and instincts? Or for those of a religious mind, a divinely created being loved and cared for in every way, with the ultimate goal of connection and absorption back into the absent divine's favor and fold. Who are you? Think about it. Dwell on it. Find your inner self and motivation. Is it to ascend? To transcend? To become more than you ever were? To push into the next evolution and beyond? If so, you may be one of us. But in order to find out, you must know the answer to the question, who are you? Think about it in earnest, as if your life depends on it, because soon, it just may.
Who are you?
The Devil's Temple.